Hairline design is one of the most important things that we do. We tend to think of the scalp as having two planes. There's the vertical plane and the horizontal plane. And it's where those planes meet that most natural hairlines exist. Keep in mind that a hairline is not a hairline, it's a zone. A very irregular, jagged zone that you want a random look. But that being said, you stay fairly conservative with that hairline, but when you hit it hard. And you try to get densities of 40, 50, maybe sometimes even 60 follicular units per square centimeter. That's over 100 hairs in a square centimeter. That's a pretty packed hairline. That patient, when they look in the mirror every day, that's when they're going to thank themselves for having this procedure, is when they see that hairline.